Ciao a tutti! Today we make focaccia, not only for one person, but for 2 and for 8. Why is different? Because I make focaccia all the time for my friends, for my book club, and everybody's asking me how to make it. Don't be afraid, it's super simple. You just need time. And remember these 3 phases in your head. Number 1, long sleep. Number 2, it's a nap. And number 3, it's a sleep. But not for you, but for the focaccia. This is really super easy. The easiest focaccia you can think of. For the guests, 2 cups of flowers. One cup. And then we put salt, 1 teaspoon on the big one and 1/4 of teaspoon to the small one. The same is for the yeast. 1 teaspoon here on the big one and 1/4 teaspoon on the small. And this is the end of the ingredients. Fantastic. I just mix a little bit. And now we put the water. The water is simply half of it. So in this big container we put 2 cups of flour. That means 1 cup of water. You don't need to do anything special. You just mix until all the flour is wet. No kneading, not creating craziness in the kitchen, no time wasted. Gluten is magic. With the water, gluten will develop. Okay. Even if it's not smooth, something like that, it doesn't matter. This phase is finished. Now I cover the big baby go to rest, go to sleep. Bye. And now on this one we put 1 cup of flour, which means half cup of water. Same process. 1 cup is not really for 1 person. It's too much, I would say. But because I'm here and tonight I have more guests, I may need all of it. Don't worry if it's all sticky and messy. Now all the flour is absorbed. I don't even touch it. And now the small baby goes to sleep. I use these containers because it's easier, more convenient. And this is step number 2. Only 10 seconds. Just fold this dough into itself. A ball on any other shape. It's okay. Remember to put some oil at the bottom of the pan. Doesn't matter which type you use. And when your finger feels sticky, also put some oil on your finger before you press the dough into the pan. Please don't be cheap with the oil, okay? Remember, cold press, high quality. And the last phase is the best. It's fun. You just sprinkle few drops of water, yes, water, don't worry about it, very little, and then you put some extra oil and very gently you spread water and oil on the top. Don't push it, okay? Very gentle. And then you use the fingers to make the holes. And the final touch is rosemary. See if you can find fresh one. Maybe your neighbor has it in their garden. If you don't have it fresh, put it dry, but a touch of rosemary is really good on the focaccia. I did an experiment. I cook it into the air fryer, which mine is so tiny that looks like a toy. But you know what? It worked. Okay, let's see if the air fryer slash the toy oven. Yes. Very good. Now this is very hot, so I want to burn myself. Yeah, you should wait a little bit. Peppers and the meat. Dear McDonald, I don't need you. This is panino, which means one, not panini. Panini means many, it's plural. This is panino, singular. Then, to be American, you need to cut the panino in two. Try this and then try a McDonald's or any fast food. Or one of those cafes that they charge you $20 for a sandwich. That cannot compete at all with this focaccia.